Morning. Today I have with me my patient who's flown in from Chennai and she's had a small procedure with us previously, and I'm going to let her describe her experience, her happiness, her joy, and it's just her words about what she wanted, what was in her mind when she initially came to us, and what did we achieve. So I'm going to leave the stage now for her to describe in her own very words what she's experienced with us at Divine.
To be very honest, being in a place, being brought up in Coimbatore and in Chennai, you don't get to see a lot of surgical procedures, especially cosmetic surgical procedures. So sometimes you're just left in the loose as what to decide and where to go and what to do and all of that. And I did my own research. So for researching alone to get to the right doctor, I had to take 2 to 3 months of complete internet research just to find out which doctor would really be okay, because a surgical procedure, however small, is sometimes life threatening in terms of them talking about anesthesia and all of that. In YouTube we have a lot of doctors, especially in the US and the UK, doing particular procedures, and it's not always convenient financially to go to the US to get those doctors, to be in safe hands. That's of priority, that's of utmost importance. And what I also did is not just wade through the internet, but I also got certain doctors to vouch for certain doctors. So at that point in time, I knew a doctor called Dr. Sharanya. She was there in Chennai, and she's a very successful cosmetic surgeon in Chennai. And when I spoke to her, she said, hands down, Preeti, let me tell you something. I know a doctor called Dr. Amit Gupta, and he's just the best in India. So when she told, I was a bit taken aback, because my internet research also revealed the procedures Dr. Amit used to do and how successful those procedures were, and his testimonials throughout, and his Instagram and everything. So this person told me, if you want international results, so if you want to know exactly what internationally doctors achieve, you will have to go to this doctor, hands down. There's just no other doctor that you'll have to see in India. But I was very, very skeptical. I was very hesitant because I didn't want to travel all the way to Delhi for a procedure. See, my place is Chennai, and Chennai is a metropolitan city, and if I get to most doctors also, they should be equally good, was my concern. Then I spoke to certain doctors in Chennai, but those doctors, without any offense, they hands down, they refused to get the results that I wanted. So I have a particular idea in my mind. I told them, I showed them photographs of celebrities, and I said, is this possible? They said, no, this is not possible here. What is possible is, let me show you the pictures of what I've done. So I've seen all the pictures of what they'd done, and that was really not to my taste at all. But the money was, very similar. In fact, in certain places in Chennai itself, the money was huge. So I actually put everything on hold for a month, and I spoke to Sharanya, and Sharanya said, if you want international results, this is the doctor, hands down, I know him, you can go. And then I called up the doctor's office, and there was Tina and other people very, very quickly helped me. So I said, if Delhi doctors are so good, it's just not Dr. Amit, right? It's other doctors in Delhi as well who do a good job and stuff. And I was more comfortable with the lady doctor. So I called up other lady doctors in and around Delhi to find out whether my procedure will work and everything will be okay and stuff. But there were certain doctors who really charged a lot of money, and certain doctors said this result is not achievable within one session and all of that, all apprehensions. There was this one doctor that I had to speak to, which is Dr. Amit Gupta. I spoke on the phone to him and immediately felt like family. He said, yes, this is possible. Yes, this is possible. It actually felt as though there were false promises to be made, to be very honest, because everything to him seemed possible. Then I saw his results again on Instagram and everything, and this doctor knows what he's doing. I think that is very important, because when you give yourself to the particular procedure, and then there's a lot of other complications involved. He teaches people, and I understood that he's trained from Brazil. He's gotten the equipments from Brazil and all of that. It gives a lot of comfort to have these international standards in India, and I felt so proud. And initially, I was very, very happy with him, just with consultation and all, felt like family. And the money he charges definitely deserved, because he said he wants to make it affordable to all. How many doctors really do that? And he's got a very nice, he's by heart a very nice person, and he knows his work, and that's very important. I'm not flattering him or anything. I mean, there's no like paid promotion, no discount, no nothing. I've come in for another procedure, and I've come in all the way again from Chennai for this other procedure, which would then make me believe in him even more. So for example, if my first procedure, okay, I took it with this doctor, if I had another doctor that was equally good as him, then obviously I would have gone with that doctor for my second procedure. And I had all praises for him when I spoke to him. I said, doctor, I love my results. I literally love my results. I wish I could show what my results were, but this doctor knows what he's doing, and that's very important. We are in safest hands. The money is reasonable, and I don't know what you'll have to look for more. He is literally, to me, the king of plastic surgery in India. That I would say 100%.